Jaman from Future IT Vision. Today I will show you how to find element. This is my third video for Selenium for beginner with advanced technology. Last video I show you guys how to open a browser with Selenium and run the test with test engine. Today I will show you how to find element, and how to find element example is the Xpath. First things I'm going to show with the Xpath. So how to find element through Xpath, and click the object or select the object, some different functionality. Let's see guys what we can do. So now this is the framework project already created. Over here we have we provide the path of the driver, again reminding again path of the driver over here, Chrome driver, and I say web driver. This is the instance variable created, and call the driver for opening the website. So now after opening website, what will be happen? So now if you go here after opening over here, so now this website will be open. After that we need to make sure, we want to make sure that is sign in button clicked. Okay, when you sign in button clicked, what will be happen? So then sign in button clicked, and we want over here create a account will be, or email address or password provided, and sign in. See what happened. So you should grab a one message. So try to sign in with invalid email address and password. We will be try to do that. So for that we need a go back, and we need to find out sign in button. After sign in button element, we're gonna need to find out email address input element, and we need to find out password, and we want to find a sign in button. Okay, so first we're gonna find out sign in button. How to find it? So right click in the Chrome, again guys, right click in the Chrome. After right click, you see over here the element. So over here click it and say command F. When you say command F, then over here the Xpath finder or any element finder will be open. So now we will be find a Xpath for sign in, or you can find our ID or different way. The first I want to show you guys with Xpath. I prefer to guys always try to use the Xpath. In the future you know why. The Xpath is more customizable. You can use it, you can customs, and you can use it parameterize. So I prefer always Xpath. So anyway, there is another other option also, which is ID, tag, class, text. Okay, all are good, but I prefer Xpath. So I'm going to show you how to do Xpath, and I also go to also all other options. I'm going to show you how to do that. The beginning I'm going to take the Xpath, but this Xpath I'm not going to customize now. For I'm going to show you how actually this element are clicked or select visible or input the data. That's I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to select this one over here left side. You see the my cursor is opening. Select the over here. Plus select, go to the sign in. You see that if you select here right side, you will be see green color over here. If I select contact, and if I select contact, so I can see the sign in, and you see the right side a class login. So I'm click it, and you see the class login. So now if you have class, there is a title, so you can find out with that. So I don't want to go there. Right click over here and copy Xpath. After copy Xpath, make sure this is right element you're choosing. So I'm going to command, I'm going to paste here whatever I copied, and I see and enter. You see sign in is selecting. When I enter here, the sign in button is selecting. That means I have a correct Xpath. One more things, on the right side over here you see 1 of 1. That means this element don't have any other duplicate. So that means only one element object available in this website with this Xpath. So that's very make sure. Sometimes you'll be see 1 of 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not good. It has to be 1 of 1. Whatever you choose, it has to be 1 of 1. Okay, so I'm going to select with Xpath and say copy here, copy this one, and go to the website. Copy here, go to the website. So over here. So now Selenium have the option. So we already created an instance variable web driver equal new Chrome driver. I'm going to say over here that this driver, I'm going to use this driver. Okay, so driver dot find element by dot, you see over here, dot link text xpath. Okay, inside xpath double quotation this string value. And what do you want to do? You want to do click, select. I'm gonna prefer first click, because sign in button has to be click first. So dot click. Okay, now whatever I copy before this one, I copy here this xpath, and I'm gonna put inside. Okay, so now I tell my web code here. I telling here, this is the web driver path over Chrome driver path, and I say instance variable driver web driver equal new Chrome driver dot get this website. After this website, click this xpath, which is the login button. If you go here, it should be click here. Okay, so now second step. So we have already clicked. We know that how to click it. So you sign in. So when you clicked, it should be this page. Now we want your email address. So now I need to find out this box element. So now you're gonna select here again and go here, over here. Okay, I'm selecting here. Okay, then I'm gonna right click, copy the xpath, and again I'm deleting here and command V putting here. Okay, so now this is one of one xpath I have. So I'm gonna copy this, okay, and go back over here, and I'm gonna provide here driver dot again find element by dot. You see all this way you can, but I'm choosing xpath now. Xpath double quotation. So now this. Now do you want to click? No, we're not going to click now. Whatever here in Selenium option hai, we want to put something here. Okay, we want to put email address. So this is not a click. You have to put something. It's input. So you have to input something. Okay, over here you see that over here right side input class is required below. So input. So input section. So now in this in Selenium have the option, if you say dot send key. Okay, send key is the string value. Okay, what you want to send key? Example, I've done, because this is the invalid email, I'm going to put the test at gmail.com. This email should not valid. Okay, so now I'm going to, then what is the next is here. So next we have password. So we need a password again. So you're going to select here, go to the password. You see the input class record valid account from the control is password. Okay, so I'm going to right click, copy xpath, and provide here. Okay, so I have password again, enter, and it should be one of one. It's one of one. That's cool. It's unique. So now I'm gonna here write down sorry, should we start from here? Driver dot find element by xpath, and this again is send key, because you have to send the password. Okay, so I'm going to put the send key inside. Oh, sorry, it should be inside over here, inside this. Example 1 2 3 4 5 6. There's the password. Or 5 6 some number. I mean, this is invalid. We want invalid. Okay, send key. Okay, what is the option for after send key? What is the option for after send key? Our option is after send key is sign in button. Okay, so we have to find out this element. Select over here and go to this sign in button. Okay, select it. So if you open here and okay, again, I mean, it has to be sign in. So I'm right click here, copy xpath. So this is the sign in, one of one. Okay, you see the sign in selecting. When I put the enter, sign in selecting. Over here selecting, this is xpath and this one. So now is one of one. So this is there. sign in button. So now I'm going to copy here. Okay, copy and go to the over here, and now we're going to say driver find element by Xpath this and dot, what is that, dot click. Okay, dot click. So if I say over here, let's see, test at gmail.com, and sorry, Gmail mistake, anyway this is wrong, so gmail.com and answer invalid. Okay, so what will be happen, we will be see this authentication failed error. Okay, that's our verification. So dot click, so dot click. So now we have driver dot get this website, and that got this element for this is for let's see. So let's put some message, print message. Okay, so then we'll understand where is a print message. Sign in button. So if you click this one, should be show clicked. Okay, then second, copy this one. After this one should be email input So before in Java, you guys know how we was printing our message. Lots of people are asking why we need the system output lint. So debugging purpose, you want to print something, you want to see what is the result. So that's you can use the system output print lint these things for purpose. Now I'm going to see that okay, if this sign in button clicked, it should be print out this message, and then if email put it this on message. Now after password message should be password input properly. Okay, you pass input properly. So now, and after that I have message we need submit button clicked. So now let's run the test. So what will happen if all the steps provided is good, will be print out this message. Okay, so if I run the test again, right click, run integration. Okay, run init method, which is the test method, and in the test, boom, website open, cool, sign in button clicked, and enter. See, we put wrong and we say authentication error. This error we show that's and test is passed. So if you go over here, how we know that all the information happens over here. See, sign in button clicked, yes clicked, email input properly, yes properly, input pass input properly, yes password input properly, submit keyboard. That means all the step we provide here is work. Now you know how to find the XPath and also how to click the element. Which element you want, you click the element. Also you know how to input the string value, example send key, or how to input anything. So string value send key, so we use the send key. Send key basically is you grab the XPath and send key, and basically you input the message inside or search something, that's message. Also you use the send key, which is the input. So now, and click, so we do clicked input with XPath. In future you will be get a lot of variation. Now you know how to open a website and also how to click a element with XPath element, and particular experiment how to know send key use for input purpose, input message, and also you know how to click. So, and also you before also I showed you guys how to print out the message. Now you know why the printout message was important. Now we know which step by step how to print out the message for debugging purpose. It's called debug. We are debugging, so you know easily which step fail. Example I want to show you guys before I stop this video. So example, oh, how do I know this step fail? Okay, so this XPath I'm gonna little bit change it, and this is invalid XPath. This XPath is not available. So now what will be happen? So I should not see this message print out because it will be stopped here, and this XPath is not find out. If they not find out, this message will be not print out. Okay, so now we will know exactly where test is failing. Okay, so now I'm gonna run the test. Website open. Okay, one failed. There's one test was on failed. See over here, we put the test gmail.com, we put the password, sign in button did not click. So if you go here, okay, sign in button clicked, this one good, email input properly, this one good, password input properly, but this one don't have. So now over here you see the log. So it's invalid selector, unable to locate the element XPath. This XPath is not valid. They did not find out this element. So that's why it's failing. So now you know why also printout message is important. The beginning we started like in Java, hello world. People also go, oh, what the heck? This is why we are using for that. So now you know why your people are using. This is useful for real work life. So now, and also one thing I want to teach you guys before you go, you see this website was not closed. This all is opening here, okay? So because we are not closing this browser, so we have to, after test, we want to close. Pass or fail, we want to close. So we're gonna say driver dot, driver dot. So you can say, I believe always I like quit. I can say quit, okay, driver dot quit, okay. So now I said driver dot quit, or you can use driver dot close, up to you guys. I want to quit. So now run the test again. Now you will see test fail and close it. Okay, it's test fail. It should be, oh, this is the old, I think, why is not closing? It should be closed. Okay, of course it's not gonna close because I provided this XPath, this until here is stopping. That's why it's not going the next part. So now let me change here, guys. I copy paste and common G. I want to put the XPath. Okay, XPath is good now, and I'm gonna put here. Okay, and I'm gonna close this and run the test again. So I want driver.quit. After run the test, I want it should be closed. Okay, this browser already closed. See, there's no browser open here. So now all the submit properly. Now we know, guys, how to also close the driver and browser, quit the browser. So that's it for today, guys, and see you soon for next video. And feel free to comment if you need any help. Just press the comment in the comment section and ask me question. I will be here to give me answer. Thanks for today. See you soon, guys.